This is washing the wolves cleaning day, and you get to see how I do it living in a 21-foot van coming up right after this brief introduction. Hi, this is a special day because I'm not going to be traveling today. I'm in Roseburg, Oregon, had a wonderful dinner with my good friends Nicole and Debbie last night with Nicole's son Tristan, and met all their pets, cats and dogs, and here I am the following day. My main goal today is to do a wash of wolves. Now I can do regular wash, it's a piece of cake, but when it comes to wolves it's a little bit more challenging and difficult because they're delicate. So this would include my tops, my pants, my underwear obviously, and my socks. That's what I've already cleaned. Now I've already cleaned them at a laundromat on Delicate Cycle with Woolite. Now I'm going to bring them into the van, and what I want to do is show you as a one-man operation. This is the sofa sleeper up. Okay, and if I want to sit like this and eat, I can. I have a table. I can show you that, not now. And then you can sleep two people. Well, let me bring the bed. Let me show you how the bed goes down and extends. So let's extend the bed down, which we're going to do now. So the first scenario, when the bed is down, you can sleep one person here. Obviously this cushion would go off. One person here, another person over here. However, if you want to sleep on a king-size bed, what you need to do is get out of the closet, which is located over here. And there's two panels, wood panels or inserts, that you would need to pull out. And I will have pictures to show you this if you're not seeing it on video. Once again, it's a one-man operation. But you take these inserts underneath the main cushions here, 1 and 2. Once they're in, you take these side cushions, which are here, and put them in here. And now you've got your bed. All right, so now we have the bed. But how I'm going to use this bed, well, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it when I get my wool clothes out of the washing machine, okay? All right, I have my laundry bag from IKEA. Thank you from IKEA. I actually did do some shopping for cooking. So when I wash these, I wash my underwear and shirts and tops all inside out, okay? I think that's to protect the integrity of your wool. So I do inside out. Here is outside. There is your tag on the outside. Now socks I don't. Probably I should, but I don't. All right, the next step, what I do is I go out and got some towels. I just got some heavy-duty towels from Walmart. I love to shop at Walmart. I'm on a budget. I know a lot of people don't. And what I do is I'm going to try to get the moisture out of this fabric. So I'm going to take this shirt just as is, lay it on the towel. Hopefully you can see that. So I'm going to lay it on the towel, and I'm just going to simply roll it. And my reasoning for rolling it is I'm trying to get the moisture out of the wool piece without stretching it. So I'm rolling it just like that, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the other side. Maybe a little bit not necessary, but why not? I plan on doing wools at least once every 3 weeks, maybe once a month. So now I'm going to roll this side. As you can see, it's inside out. Just rolling it, trying to get the moisture out. I'm going to come back, and there you go. Now, I'm going to then, the reason why I'm using the bed is if this piece is done, I'm going to lay it flat. So all of my wool is going to be laid flat on the bed, not on a hanger, and just like that. Okay? Do you get my drift? Alright, now I'm going to show you how I do my only pants that I've worn. These are actually by wool, and I really like them. I think this is Icebreaker. It is Icebreaker. Love these pants. Now, I don't think I washed these inside and out. I didn't because they had a slight stain on the outside. So I'm going to lay the pants down like this, the same scenario. Get that up there a little bit. You got to get obviously a larger towel. And as you can see, the towel is covered, and I'm just going to roll just like I did on the shirt. I've already done an underwear, but now I'm going to roll it, try to get the moisture out of those pants. Alright, like I did the other, I'm going to come back, and now I did the front side, now I'm going to do the back side. So you may ask, well, what are you going to do all day now that you're waiting for all this to dry? Well, I'm going to put on my schedule to go to AT&T to get something done with my phone. I'm also probably going to wash the van from the outside. I've got a lot of bugs on the body as well as the windows that I'm going to try to wash. But these will take a while to dry this way. Not going to hang them up. Not going to put them in the dryer. And now that one is ready to go. Just going to come back here on the bed. And lay that flat. And there you go. Okay, what you're seeing are all of the wool clothes that I cleaned today. There's 4 pairs of socks, 4 underwears, 1 short sleeve only. I could have sworn I had more than that, but that shows you how cold it's been. 2 long sleeve shirts and 1 pair of pants. As you can see, and you probably can't see, that my whole bed is covered, drying. So if I waited any longer, I wouldn't have had room. I probably could have put it on the countertop here, but you wanted to see how I live in a van full time? Well, this is my cleaning of the clothes, wool clothes for the day.